So guys, you can see my hair is done and dusted here. I'm really happy that I finally made it. This is the outcome of my hair, guys. Look at. So let's pack it. Yeah, you can pack this way, this hair this way. You can pack it this way. You can hold it there at the middle and pack it this way, and you can as well pack it other ways. I'm gonna show you different ways you can pack this kind of hair. You can see that I made the hair a little bit bigger so that I can finish it fast. So I can tell you, whenever you are doing your hair by yourself, you can make it a little bit bigger, mostly when you have a lot of hair. Make it a little bit bigger. You see, I made this bigger, still my hair full. So if you don't have a lot of hair, just make it tiny too, so that your hair will be full. My hair is full, so you can see, you can as well pack this way, and the hair this way. You can see I bring all of them back, then I take also hair by the side and hold it at the middle backward. When you pack it like this, it's so beautiful. So you can also bring the hair at the front, or you can leave it at the back. It's still beautiful, guys. I really tried. Okay, I really tried. In fact, give me a thumbs up. I tried. If you go to where to make hair, this hair, no way they will not collect 200 euro from you, or 150 euro. Yeah, unless if you have a sister who is around you, they can even help you to collect like 50 euros. But if you go out to do this kind of hair, no how, you're not going to give out 150, 200 euros. Okay, so I really give myself a treat. I'm telling you the truth. I am loving myself that I can make myself hair without spending a dime, sitting at my comfort, sitting at home, in the comfort of my home, making my hair. Even when I'm doing my hair, I can even go out cooking and doing other things, taking care of myself. So if I can do it by myself, why not? I am enjoying it. And even I love when I do my hair by myself. I find it so beautiful than people doing it for me. I really enjoy this. So I will take it to when I go out tomorrow. Mostly at the place of my work, people will ask me, "Oh, you have a neue Frisur?" They will speak in Dutch. Du hast a neue Frisur. That means you have a new hair. Another thing they will do is asking you, "Who did it for you?" You say you did it for yourself. You say, "Wow, really? Oh, it's fine." Another thing they will ask you, how many hours do you sit doing this? That's a lot of the kind of question my Dutch people do ask me. How many hours do you sit making the hair? I don't know why they do that. I don't know why they ask that. But anyway, that's by the way. When you tell them my own, whenever I'm doing my hair, I don't even check time sitting down. I can be cooking. When it's time to go and eat, I will leave my hair to go and eat. Sometimes I do like 2, 3, 4 hair. I stand up, move around, and come and sit. So I've been going a lot of breaks. So counting it like that, you might not even know how many hours you sit. So they do like the hair anyway. So I'm happy doing my hair. So you can use your edge control, or you can use your eco gel to make the face look fine. I'm not going out. You can see I'm at home. But when I'm going out, I can also make the face look fine. Guys, please kindly rent me out. How do you see me? How do you see my hair? Do you like it? I love the extension color. I love it so much, and it fits me. It makes me beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, sorry that I went live today more than 4 times trying to show you guys. So this is the outcome. Just want to show you the outcome of my hair making. Thank you. Bye.